Hello buddies and welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I have the Vivo X80 Pro and I'm going to show you how to insert a SIM card. For that, you're gonna have to look for your SIM card slot, and normally it's on the left side here, but on this phone it's on the bottom here. So you take a SIM card ejector or a simple paper clip, doesn't matter, and then carefully open the SIM card slot. Then take it out, then you can see SIM1. You take your SIM card. Here you have a little corner thingy. So you put your SIM card in, now it's in, and then you put it back in the phone. Now it takes a few seconds. Enter our SIM card pin, 4 times 0, okay. Now as you can see, you have service, you can make phone calls. That's how you insert a SIM card to your Vivo X80 Pro. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.